Just seeing the batting lineup for the Heroes, they still have someone like Kapur Blakia who can tong the ball. Jay also is a good striker. So this still have some batting left in the ranks. The split on the offside, in the gap as well. That's going to be a 4. Good strike there. Put him in style by Raja.
A welcome shot, well executed. Punch towards the offside. The Mumbai dugout reeling under happiness after such boundaries are struck every now and then. Navraj doing his part of the deal. Has cracked a sixer and has scored 3 fours. And Raja on the other end, equally compatible and equally destructive. Well, that's a wide ball. A welcome run yet again brings up the total to 60. The penultimate ball will have to be repeated, and Sohail Khan looking pensive and tensed. Well, can only get a single try for the second, but at the end of 7 overs it's 61 for 2 for the Mumbai Heroes. Start of the 8th over. The Mumbai team will be looking to cross that elusive 3-digit mark. Will they get to 100? 18 balls to go, and that's a big one if it's not caught. Seems to be safe. The fielder does try to get close to it, but just runs past it, turns around, takes a U-turn and goes back for it, helping the Mumbai Heroes take a couple of runs. In fact, take 3 runs, just short of 4 runs.
Bit of selfie time, but you're right. That should have been fielded. Shouldn't have been 3 runs. Bit of comedy of errors on that occasion. Not ready on that occasion. Navraj just walking back, signaling to the umpire as well. पर अगर यहां से जैसे आप कह रहे थे अगर 10 रन भी आते हैं प्रति ओवर तो 92 रन कम से कम कुछ तो होगा, और अभी भी विकेट शेष है.
विकेट शेष है और कॉन्फिडेंस, तजुर्बा बल्लेबाजों के संग है और सेटल हो चुके हैं ये, और ये कोशिश करी इसको उठा के खेलने की, पर लगता है कि एक और विकेट गिरेगा और ये तीसरा विकेट मुंबई हीरोज का गिरा. राजा को वापस जाना होगा.
जी हाँ, राजा बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी कर रहे थे और निराश होंगे. हाँ ना तालमेल में कमी और वापस जाना होगा राजा को. ये फर्क पड़ता है जब आप सेट हो जाए, अपना विकेट गवा दे, नया बैट्समैन आता है, फिर मुश्किलें बढ़ती हैं. देखिए अब क्रॉस लाइन खेलने का प्रयास किया नवराज ने, काफी आगे निकल गए थे राजा. फिर वापस जाते हुए अगर दौड़ते तो रन पूरा कर लेते, बहुत दूर रह गए. एक और विकेट गिरता हुआ, तीसरा विकेट. 64 पे 3 मुंबई हीरोज.
शबीर अहलूवालिया नए बल्लेबाज क्रीज पर आए और ये वेलकम बाउंड्री नवराज के ब्लेड से आती हुई, माफी चाहूंगा. अच्छे फॉर्म में नजर आ रहे हैं, अच्छी लय, अच्छे फ्लो में नजर आ रहे हैं.
Yeah, lights coming in his eyes and missing that one. You see, taking a very evasive action. Lights coming up, got to cover it. That's going to be important. But conceding a boundary in the process.
लाइट्स आ रही थी आंखों में अजय या बॉल आ रही थी आंखों में? खैर जो भी आ रहा था उसका नतीजा ये हुआ कि एक बाउंड्री कंसीड करी. और नवराज going from strength to strength. Well, he's tried to hit that hard, but will fall short of the boundary and intercepted by the fielder. Will only be able to take a single.
After the wicket of Raja, it was Shabir who came in. He's a decent all-rounder. A good striker, Shabir. The tall man. He'll be the man on strike, Shabir. High up in the air, man coming underneath. Will he take it? Oh, messing that one up. Dear, oh dear.
Well, like I said, Ajay Mehra, if I put $1 in my pocket for every time a catch was dropped, I would be a millionaire. Too many dropped catches and too many sloppy fielding instances. That was a sitter, but he's dropped it. That was a laddu of a catch that he's dropped. Had he taken it, would have definitely dented the confidence of the Mumbai Heroes. Shabir Ahluwalia, a well-rounded batsman, tries to hit it off again, but doesn't quite get there.
So match number 4 in progress. Mumbai Heroes, Navraj going strong. He's batted well, 27, getting a start. Shabir has just come in. He's done 2 of 2 deliveries. A couple of runouts really haven't helped the Mumbai Heroes' cause. Going to be a change in bowling as well. A lot of change in the field at the moment. 71 for 3. Mumbai Heroes going to be Alexander. 1 over 7 runs. Did a good job in his opening over. Shafiq has bowled 2 overs. Manikutan as well, 2 overs for 16 runs. The only successful bowler for the Kerala Strikers. There's 2 overs left. A lot of talk going on in that dugout. Sohail Khan is watching the proceedings, looking a bit tense as well. They need to get at least 1 good over from here on. A lot will depend on the man on strike, Navraj.
Mumbai Heroes, the dugout seems to be pensive and a little tensed. They need a good total. They need to win this match. And Alexander is the new man with the ball in his hand. Navraj looking strong as ever. A handy strike rate. Shabir on the other end will definitely look to take batters home and come up with those big shots. Well, couldn't get that quite right. Navraj missing the plot and looking for that delivery that would catapult his blade off and get him some kind of an impetus with the bat. Well, the second last over of the first innings of this match, and he tried to hit it hard again, but quite didn't get it. And another chance, but missed. They get a single and take the total to 72.
That was once again a comedy of errors. What he needed to do was just run towards the wicket, take the bails off. It was a bit late going to the non-strikers and not timing it too well. Just reacting a bit late. The runner, just shying at the stumps. Not a long distance, but missing it.